this is Sankalpa.
And on today's video, I'm going to guide you through how you can discover some presets, save it, use it, apply it to your pictures, and also create your own presets and save it for later uses. So at first I'd like to add a photo that I'd like to work on today, and yeah, this is the perfect picture that I got. I believe most of you are familiar with this picture, the house in this picture. This is the Walter White's house in Breaking Bad. I believe I clicked this around 2 weeks ago. And yeah, after that, as you have to discover some presets and get your and select some of them, you just go ahead towards the discover button here. And there are lots of categories that you would like to select from. I'd like to select one from the landscape for that picture. And here you can hover around any of the picture to see the original picture and the preset applied picture, like this. So this was the raw picture the person saw, and this is the pressure that he used to get this. So if you like any of the picture, if I like this, yeah, I like this picture, and it matches with our picture as well because it has house, trees, and then skies. So you just go ahead towards the right corner here, and you save as preset, and you can group it to your own groups of folders. So if you want to get a new, you can get a new, but as I had tried one, I'd like to get a new one. So this is my saved preset, and then I'd like to add the name as Breaking Bad House, and then it's saved. So after that, I'd like to go towards my picture again, and then here, this is the raw picture I have. So if I want to add the pressure that we just saved right now, just under the edit you'll see presets. After you click, there are some ready-made presets that are uploaded by Adobe Lightroom itself. So if you like any of these are also helpful sometimes. But we have already saved our presets for this picture, and we just go towards the bottom. Here we have save presets, where we will see a Breaking Bad house. So if I click here, the preset gets applied to this picture. Though it might not look like, though it might not look perfect, but sometimes it really helps and saves time a lot. After applying the preset as well, you can make some modifications as you like. But this was just a tutorial on how you can save a preset and select a preset from a bunch of presets, save it, and apply it to a picture. So after that, if you like this picture, you can always go and save and add a watermark and everything. But most of the time, what artists recommend is it's better to give them credits if you have used the presets. So keep that in mind. So after this, I'd like to move on to how you can create your own presets. So I'd like to undo the changes in this picture by pressing Command Z or Control Z on a Windows computer. So this was the raw picture we had. So if you want to save a preset, first you would go ahead and work on this picture so that you have the values for exposures, contrast, and everything. So I like the exposure in this picture to be a bit less, the contrast to be a bit more, highlights a little bit more, shadows a little bit less, the whites are more emphasized. I like to decrease the whiteness in this picture and increase the blackness create the blackness. I like this picture to be warm tone, but you can make it cool tone as well. I like warm tone pictures, so that's why I like to move towards right, think towards the left, brightness towards the right, and saturation. It's all good. I'm not like to work with the color grading this time, but you can do if you like. So the textures, I like to increase the textures, clarity as well. I like to make this picture a bit dehazed. I like to vignette from the darker side. And then, yeah, that's it. I would like to work on this picture. So if you are good, if you are happy with the product you have made and you want to save this preset for your later pictures, you click here at the preset like we used in the past, and then you can see a three, and here you can see a three dots button, and then you go ahead and click the create preset, and wherever you want to save, you just save it right there. And you can also create a new group, and but user preset is okay. And let's name this also Breaking Bad, my preset one. Okay, so this is the preset that we applied to this picture. But if you want that picture, if you want to apply that preset to another picture, you can also do that. So like, I'd like to add another picture right here. And this looks fine. Right here. And yeah, if you like to add that preset to this picture, it's what we did just some minutes ago. You just go down your user presets, Breaking Bad my preset one. So you just click here and the preset gets applied to this picture. So this is the product you get. And if you like to see the original picture, you can always go here and click right here to see the original picture and then see the difference the preset has made on this picture. And after that also, if you like to save this picture, export it, you can always do that, get a watermark and everything. And yeah, that's it for today actually. Yeah, that was the lesson for today. I believe you learned something, and it's really handy tool to use preset, create your own preset rather than using others, learn from them, and then you can add it to any of your pictures in the future. So that was all from my side today. Thank you and have a good one.